If VLC is not working on your PC, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through 4 simple fixes that solve a lot of common playback problems. Whether VLC is freezing, not opening video properly, showing a black screen, or just refusing to play files the way it should, these steps can help you get it working again fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to do is disable hardware acceleration inside VLC. Open VLC on your PC, then go up to the top menu and click Tools, and then Preferences. When the settings window opens, look across the top and click the Input and Codecs tab. Here, find the option labeled Hardware Accelerated Decoding. By default, it may be set to automatic, but for troubleshooting, change it to Disable. This can help fix video playback issues caused by your graphics hardware or driver conflicts. Once you've changed it, click Save, then close VLC completely and reopen the video you were trying to play. If VLC still isn't working properly, the next fix is to reset the preferences. This is one of the most effective troubleshooting steps because it clears out any settings that may have been changed accidentally or become corrupted. To do that, open VLC again and press Ctrl+P on your keyboard, or go back to Tools and Preferences. At the very bottom left of the window, you'll see a button that says Reset Preferences. Click that button, then click OK to confirm. After that, make sure VLC is fully closed, not just minimized, and then restart the application. When VLC opens again, it will be using fresh default settings, which often solves a lot of strange problems. Now let's move on to the third fix, which is changing the video output module. This setting controls how VLC displays video on your screen, and if the wrong output method is selected, VLC may not render video correctly. To change it, go to Tools, then Preferences, and click the Video tab. Next to Output, you'll see a drop-down menu. If it's set to automatic, try switching it to Direct Draw Video Output, or Windows GDI Video Output. These options can work better depending on your PC and graphics setup. After selecting one, click Save, then restart VLC and test your video again. If one option doesn't work, you can come back and try the other one until you find the one that plays nicely with your system. Finally, if VLC still isn't working, try running it as an administrator and checking for updates. Sometimes VLC needs extra permission to access certain files or system resources. To do that, right-click the VLC shortcut on your desktop and choose Run as Administrator. If that helps, you may want to use that method whenever you open VLC. Then, to make sure you have the latest fixes and improvements, open VLC, click Help in the top menu, and select Check for Updates. If an update is available, install it and then restart VLC. Keeping VLC up to date can solve bugs, compatibility issues, and playback errors that may be causing the problem in the first place. So to quickly recap, if VLC is not working on your PC, disable hardware acceleration, reset the preferences, change the video output module, and then run VLC as administrator and check for updates. One of these fixes usually gets everything working again. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.